Hey legends, it's Pete here from Gold Coast Plumbing Experts, just out here today in Carrara. We've located a burst pipe underground, so what we're going to do is we're going to dig it up and repair it. So we've done a leak detection. It was underneath two hedges. There's the stump there. So we cut the trees out. The aircon was already moved from where the trees had pushed it up against the wall. So I think the hedges have caused most of the damage here. There's your burst pipe. This is actually a fitting from the poly to the copper. So all we have to do is cut that section of copper out and the section of poly, replace the joiner, and then repair it, backfill it with sand, because it's actually in a soakage trench with a small 50mm Aggie pipe. So once we repair it, we've got to try and put it all back together best we can to make it all work and make the soakage trench work as well. Hey legends, that's another one done and dusted. So I'll take you over there and give you a quick look. So what we have is a couple of poly repair. So we've got copper on one side, which comes into poly, and we wrap sand around it. So we just got to backfill this hole now and tidy up everything. If you guys have any issues or you need anything fixed in the future, just give us a call at Gold Coast Plumbing Experts.
Call Gold Coast Plumbing Experts on 1300 600 632.